hanger on. I use an extra one. This is optional. Your kit won't have the extra one, but you can use whatever washer takes your fancy on the back. I'm just going to match these up because I bought way too many of these by accident. You'll need your washers, a little washer on the back, little tiny bubby washer, your nut and bolt. So this has got a counter sunk head on it, so as I explained in a previous video, it's so that screw can sit flat. Your hanger, optional extra little fancy knob to put on the end of your bolt, and of course a screwdriver. These happen to be Phillips head and work really well. And of course you need a trusty stabby tool. This is from SKU-Biz, the best tool kit ever. Unfortunately, only available in the US, and the postage is crazy to get new ones, but if you have access to them, get the set. It's fantastic. So the first thing you want to do is to really stab through there and make your hole. So it's really whatever tool works for you. If you've got a drill or you're handy with a drill, then do that. I'm not. So I get it down to there, and then I do this to make the bit for the falling down, for the sunken bit, and you can see that's not enough just yet. So it does like a fairly large space. So measure as you go. You might even be able to do the back at the same time. And then once this can go in and sit flat, as it does right there now, well, almost, we'll just give it a bit more, and I'll try not to be too lazy. Okay, so I've got that there. Fabulous. Now I'll pop the screw in that way, hold it in place and turn it over. Now I put the other one on because it fits quite well, we know. Excuse me, I'll put another washer in there because of the sunken bit behind it, the space. Then the hanger itself and the bolt. Screw that down. Then you can hold your Phillips head screwdriver into that screw to hold it in place. Oh, well, I'm going to screw that with my left hand, my right hand, and hold this with a pair of little pliers. So now, hopefully it's nice and close so you can see exactly what's going on. I'm holding that and I'm screwing underneath. Oops. So you screw it till it's reasonably firm, but we want to make sure we've still got some movement so we can adjust it should we need to. I think that's pretty well hanging straight, but I probably screwed it a little bit too tight. I'll put unscrew it. And then when we're done, oh no, I might do it now because it'll stop this screw scratching stuff. I can put that on there. One hanger done. How easy is that? If you want to be super careful, you can also put some glue in here. I often, if I'm using two of these on a larger item, I actually fill that up with Gorilla Glue so that the screw is actually stuck to the washer as well. So it's really solid.